How to see who sent you NGL messages. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the NGL app to show you how to see who sent you those mysterious NGL messages. Let's get started. First and foremost, open up your NGL app on your device. At the top of the screen, you will notice two sections named Play and Inbox. We are currently in the Play section. Tap on Inbox to switch to this section. Right here, you can see all the NGL messages you have ever received. To uncover the sender's identity, tap on the Who Sent These button. To proceed, tap on Unlock. You will be prompted to start by adding a payment method. Add your credit or debit card details and you will be charged a certain amount either on a monthly or yearly basis depending on your preference. Once you have become a pro user, you will gain access to see who sent you NGL messages within the NGL application. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to unveil the mystery behind those NGL messages. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.